brings the captain onto the centre. He opened the innings last time around for the side. Got out for a duck. To the one that was swung back in. Sachin Kumar Singh, Gaya Gladiators, skipper, won the toss. Decided to bat. Yet to open his account, not just today, but also in the tournament. Oh, he does. He slips, but doesn't come.
Didn't get his balance right. There was an opportunity for a second, but and Sachin has come in because Harish tried to hit one more shot over the top, got the bottom end of the bat, and Suraj Chauhan is elated.
Wicket number 3. Straight into the hands. So this is a golden over for them. In the last 4 balls, 5 balls rather, they picked up 2 wickets. Wanted to make room, wanted to go one extra. Good catch. Onto his right. Good that he didn't dive. Just moved. Bobbled it up. 39 from 37. Piyush back in the hut.